On this day, April 11th, 1672, Sarah Cloyce and Elizabeth Proctor were examined here at the Salem Town Meeting House for what was recorded as a great assembly by Samuel Sewell in his diary. During Sarah's examination, she retorted to John Indian that he was a grievous liar for the accusations brought against her. Her examination did not last long, as she is recorded as having passed out, and Abigail Williams responded that her specter had gone to visit her sister nurse. Elizabeth Proctor was questioned immediately after Sarah Cloyce, and during her examination, her husband John was also accused, with Abigail Williams claiming that she saw the specters of Elizabeth and John attacking Bathsheba Pope. It is from this that John Proctor too was arrested, and at the end of the day, Sarah Cloyce, John Proctor, and Elizabeth Proctor were in custody and brought to the Salem Town Jail. And by the next day, Sarah, Elizabeth, John, Rebecca Nurse, Martha Corey would all be brought to the Boston jail to await their trials.